The Pay button. From the Pay button, we have quite a bit of functionality. Here, navigate to the bottom right of the screen and tap Pay. From here, I can enter the change in which I'm receiving to pay for the transaction. For example, here, my balance due is $57.11. If someone were to hand me 320s, I can put in $60. Now that I've done that, on the top right of the screen, you can see the change due is $289. Also from this screen, I can perform a refund, as well as process the transaction manually. If I scroll down, I have quite a few other options down here as well, such as applying a gift card, sending this as an invoice, discounting the entire order, setting the entire order as tax exempt, voiding the order, comping it, redeeming a coupon, as well as redeeming points for my loyalty. Also, additional user payments can also be created for various occasions, such as check or delivery systems.